Now I will show you how to upload this PowerPoint presentation into YouTube. As you can see here, we have 8 slides. So first, make sure that every slide should you set to automatic without own mouse click. Just check this one, then you can adjust the duration, and also you need to put some transition. Okay, now I will try this presentation. Just press F5. So our presentation is playing without mouse click. Okay, now we will convert this one in order to upload on YouTube. First, this is very simple. Go to File, then Save As, Browse, so you can put anywhere of your computer location. So now I will put in desktop. Then this is the file name, presentation for YouTube or YT. Then save as type. Just change to MP4. Click this one and save. So this is how easy to convert your presentation into MP4 and upload into your YouTube channel. Now conversion is complete. So this is the one. Look, if I double click this one, automatically it will play same as video. So thank you and God bless.